Ladies and gentlemen, it's our pleasure to welcome you to the Boston Logan International Airport. The local time is 1:13 in the morning. We hope that you had a pleasant flight. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off, and do not open the overhead bins. Please be careful while opening the overhead bins after our aircraft has reached its final parking position. After today's flight, you may receive an email from Delta requesting you to share your feedback with us. We value your comments and use your responses to improve your future travel experience. As we reach our gate, we invite you to use the Flight Delta application from your mobile device for important baggage and flight connection information. Delta would like to welcome home our customers who live here in the Boston area, and for those of you continuing on, we wish you a pleasant and safe onward journey. On behalf of this Minneapolis-St. Paul-based crew, we've enjoyed taking care of you on board today's flight. We know you have many choices in air travel, and that's why we thank you for choosing Delta Airlines, a proud and founding member of the SkyTeam Alliance. We would like to say goodbye and hope to meet you again.